In addition, we have another useful accessory, which we offer optionally. This tool offers 5 different functions which simplify the assembly. There are 4 push buttons included if the push buttons of the gear tray are lost during assembly. They can be used without any problems. This for another sample, to cut the track straight when the trunking is short in it. In addition, the tool offers the possibility of easily removing electrical contacts. They can also be mounted just as easily. The rollers of the multi-tool must be placed into the trunking and the plug can then be pressed in with a simply tilting movement. In addition, if the support profile is shortened, 2 new holes must be drilled for the end cape. The multi-tool serves as a drilling template for this purpose.